Dr. Sheetal, consultant plastic and cosmetic surgeon in Madurai. I completed my MCH plastic surgery last August, and cosmetic surgery was always my passion. So I was wondering for a fellowship where to do in India, and that's when I came across the Cosmos Skills Fellowship at Chennai Plastic Surgery. So I was really fortunate enough to enter into Chennai Plastic Surgery. I must say that they have a huge variety of aesthetic surgery cases over there. I was able to see all the cases, you name it, like breast reduction, tummy tuck, liposuctions like every day, gynecomastia, there'll be minimum of 2 surgeries every day, quite a lot of rhinoplasties, upper eyelid blepharoplasty, hair transplantation, and non-surgical you can see Botox, fillers, and they do all the non-surgical procedures on a daily regular basis. And there's also a cosmetic dermatologist over there. So Dr. Karthik Ram is the cosmetic chief consultant over there. I must say he's a very friendly and a humble person. He actually taught me, apart from the basic points, even the finer details which would help us in getting much excellent results compared to an ordinary result. He actually once he gets a confidence in you, he allows you to do the surgery under his supervision. So I must also say his team is a very wonderful team. They're very well cooperative among each other, and they actually tell you a lot of tips and tricks regarding how to do certain steps in surgeries. They also give us a proper knowledge. I must say the OT staff, the brothers out there. Apart from surgery, I also learned how to set up a cosmetic surgery OP, how to do the marketings, and how to actually talk to the patients and convince them for surgeries. And so I must say, all young plastic aspiring surgeons, if you're interested in aesthetic surgery, I would definitely recommend Chennai Plastic Surgery, because during my short course of fellowship in CPS, I was able to see a vast variety of aesthetic surgeries, and I must say that was really worth it. So if you're coming for a 6 month course, definitely there's no thinking that Chennai Plastic Surgery is the place.